Do hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon to get all our future video updates. Hi guys, welcome to another review on our channel, and this review is gonna be a review of an analog watch. You may be wondering that why an analog watch review is coming up on our channel. So I've put an Instagram poll on our Instagram page, and many of you have said me that I should do a review of an analog watch, so the review is coming up on our channel. So this is Vineet from Gyani Tech YouTube channel, and without any further ado, let's begin. The watch has been ordered from flipkart.com and the pricing is around 441 rupees, and the real pricing is 2500 rupees. This is the package from Flipkart, and just unbox it, and this is the box which you get from Limestone. The packaging looks very good. Top is showing limestone. It's a watch, and it's assembled in India. That's a very nice thing. Also, from the next side we can see to rate us. The rating will be given in the video later, so don't worry. The bottom of the box is crisp and clear. In the other side of box it is written that it's 100% original and authentic, and let's believe that for now, and let's open the box. When we open the box, we get a few things. Now let's talk about the box contents. At first, we get a user manual. It's a user manual and some warranty card, both mixed. And when you open it from the back side first, you see that it shows you how to operate the watch, set the date, and it's also date and day functional, so you don't have to worry about that. The front side shows limestone. The packaging is very simplistic, and you don't get a lot of content, a lot of mess in the box. You have just the manual and the watch itself with some cushion casing. Actually, the packing is very nice, and I would give it a 10 out of 10. And it's very nice that I couldn't remove the watch with one hand, and hence I used my other hand. The packaging of the watch is also very good. Let me put the box contents to the side, and let us have a look at the watch itself. The watch is placed on a cushion, and it has a plastic cover around it for the glass safety. Now let's have an overview of the watch. The wristwatch is very good to look, and this is the dial of the watch. Now let's head to the review of the watch. In this time lapse, you can have a closer look at the watch itself. In this one, we see about the watch, and the watch looks good, and the glass is crisp and clear. The build quality is very nice. The colors are coming up to show, and the backside has its branding, and it look very good. The belt is okay type. I didn't like it that much because it's very hard. It's not leather one, and this is the appearance of the watch, how it appears on your hand. So that was it for this video. If you liked the video, do hit that like button and also share it with your friends and family. If you're not subscribed to Gyani Tech yet, do hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon to get all our future video updates. And do follow our Instagram page to get all our quick updates about our channel. And till then, happy teching. Goodbye.